Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a Toyota Porte. Porte is French for Porte, meaning door. The passenger side door operates electrically and is 1165mm high, 1020mm wide. So it's perfect for a wheelchair to exit and enter the vehicle. This car has OEM, it's original equipment manufactured wheelchair, in the passenger seat. There's an aluminium chair which sits on an electric arm. At the push of a button, the arm turns and rotates out of the vehicle and the chair is lowered to the ground. The chair is hooked onto the arm for safety. The hooks are released and the wheelchair can move off the platform. The wheelchair has large aluminium wheels which help move forward with ease. Getting back into the vehicle, the wheelchair person simply reverses back onto the platform and then the wheelchair can be lifted back and up and into the vehicle. Porte is a popular, compact wheelchair vehicle. It's easy to drive, has excellent fuel economy, and wheelchair passengers love being in the passenger seat. For more information on this vehicle and to view our other vehicles, please visit www.icsar.com.au or call 02 9981 1884.